Welcome back. Today we are going to challenge your listening skills.
Welcome back. Today we are going to challenge your listening skills.
Take a moment to relax and focus on the sound of English.
Take a moment to relax and focus on the sound of English.
You may not understand everything at first, and that is completely normal.
You may not understand everything at first, and that is completely normal.
Try to focus on the meaning instead of individual words.
Try to focus on the meaning instead of individual words.
Over time, your brain will start to recognize patterns naturally.
Over time, your brain will start to recognize patterns naturally.
Learning a language is not about perfection, but about progress.
Learning a language is not about perfection, but about progress.
How has your day been so far?
How has your day been so far?
Mine has been quite busy, but also productive.
Mine has been quite busy, but also productive.
Sometimes we feel tired, especially after a long day.
Sometimes we feel tired, especially after a long day.
However, even a short practice session can make a difference.
However, even a short practice session can make a difference.
Consistency is more powerful than studying for many hours once in a while.
Consistency is more powerful than studying for many hours once in a while.
That is why daily practice is so important.
That is why daily practice is so important.
The weather today feels calm and pleasant.
The weather today feels calm and pleasant.
I always feel more motivated when the weather is nice.
I always feel more motivated when the weather is nice.
Do you notice how your mood changes with the weather?
Do you notice how your mood changes with the weather?
Small things can influence how we feel and learn.
Small things can influence how we feel and learn.
Right now, you are training your brain to understand English.
Right now, you are training your brain to understand English.
Even if it feels difficult, your brain is adapting.
Even if it feels difficult, your brain is adapting.
Language learning is a gradual process.
Language learning is a gradual process.
Sometimes progress is slow, but it is always happening.
Sometimes progress is slow, but it is always happening.
It is important to stay patient and trust the process.
It is important to stay patient and trust the process.
Mistakes are not failures, they are part of learning.
Mistakes are not failures, they are part of learning.
In fact, mistakes often help you remember better.
In fact, mistakes often help you remember better.
The more you expose yourself to English, the easier it becomes.
The more you expose yourself to English, the easier it becomes.
Listening is one of the most effective ways to learn.
Listening is one of the most effective ways to learn.
It helps you understand real pronunciation and rhythm.
It helps you understand real pronunciation and rhythm.
At first, everything may sound too fast.
At first, everything may sound too fast.
But with time, you begin to catch more words.
But with time, you begin to catch more words.
Eventually, you start understanding full sentences.
Eventually, you start understanding full sentences.
That is when learning becomes exciting.
That is when learning becomes exciting.
I enjoy listening to English while doing simple tasks.
I enjoy listening to English while doing simple tasks.
For example, while cooking or walking.
For example, while cooking or walking.
This makes learning feel more natural.
This makes learning feel more natural.
You do not always need to sit and study formally.
You do not always need to sit and study formally.
Learning can be part of your daily routine.
Learning can be part of your daily routine.
Try to include English in your everyday life.
Try to include English in your everyday life.
For example, watch videos or listen to podcasts.
For example, watch videos or listen to podcasts.
Even short sessions can be very effective.
Even short sessions can be very effective.
The key is to stay consistent over time.
The key is to stay consistent over time.
You will notice improvement without even realizing it.
You will notice improvement without even realizing it.
Confidence grows as you become more familiar with the language.
Confidence grows as you become more familiar with the language.
At first, speaking may feel uncomfortable.
At first, speaking may feel uncomfortable.
But that feeling will disappear with practice.
But that feeling will disappear with practice.
The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
The more you speak, the more natural it feels.
Try not to overthink every sentence.
Try not to overthink every sentence.
Fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
Fluency comes from practice, not perfection.
Sometimes it is better to speak imperfectly than not speak at all.
Sometimes it is better to speak imperfectly than not speak at all.
Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Your goal is communication, not perfection.
Remember that every small effort counts.
Remember that every small effort counts.
Even listening for a few minutes is valuable.
Even listening for a few minutes is valuable.
Progress happens step by step.
Progress happens step by step.
There is no need to rush.
There is no need to rush.
Each day brings a new opportunity to improve.
Each day brings a new opportunity to improve.
Try to stay positive throughout your journey.
Try to stay positive throughout your journey.
A positive mindset makes learning easier.
A positive mindset makes learning easier.
Do not compare yourself to others.
Do not compare yourself to others.
Everyone learns at their own pace.
Everyone learns at their own pace.
Focus on your personal progress.
Focus on your personal progress.
You are already doing something amazing.
You are already doing something amazing.
Learning a new language requires dedication.
Learning a new language requires dedication.
And you are showing that dedication right now.
And you are showing that dedication right now.
Over time, things that feel difficult will become easy.
Over time, things that feel difficult will become easy.
You will start recognizing words without thinking.
You will start recognizing words without thinking.
You will understand conversations more naturally.
You will understand conversations more naturally.
And eventually, you will express your ideas clearly.
And eventually, You will express your ideas clearly.
That is the goal of learning a language.
That is the goal of learning a language.
To communicate, connect, and understand.
To communicate, connect, and understand.
Keep practicing, even on days when it feels hard.
Keep practicing, even on days when it feels hard.
Those are the days that matter the most.
Those are the days that matter the most.
Discipline will take you further than motivation alone.
Discipline will take you further than motivation alone.
Motivation starts the journey.
Motivation starts the journey.
Discipline keeps you going.
Discipline keeps you going.
Both are important for success.
Both are important for success.
You are building a new skill.
You are building a new skill.
And that takes time and effort.
And that takes time and effort.
Be proud of your progress so far.
Be proud of your progress so far.
Even if it seems small, it is meaningful.
Even if it seems small, it is meaningful.
Every step forward counts.
Every step forward counts.
You are becoming better every day.
You are becoming better every day.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep improving.
You are on the right path.
You are on the right path.
And you are doing a great job.
And you are doing a great job.
Thank you for spending this time practicing English.
Thank you for spending this time practicing English.
I hope this helped you feel more confident.
I hope this helped you feel more confident.
Let's continue learning together.
Let's continue learning together.
See you in the next lesson.
See you in the next lesson.